Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how we painted all of our window trim. We did this on the interior as well as exterior of our home. Just prep your window, give it a little clean, wipe off all the dirt, and then we used Home Hardware's Beauty Tone exterior paint in Black Cat. I prefer to use artist paintbrushes, probably because I'm more used to them, but I just find they're easier to manage and work with when doing a lot of small cutting and stuff like this. So I don't know. I just find that painter's tape sometimes is more of a headache than helpful. Sometimes the paint leaks underneath it. Sometimes when you're tearing it off, it takes paint with it. Then you need to touch it up anyway. So for me, I just find these smaller brushes are easier overall, and you just need to be a little more careful. For the most part, our windows have needed 2 coats and then a little bit of touch up, but for the most part, 2 coats does it. Just make sure to get in all of the edges and to open your windows a crack to make sure that they don't stick when they're drying. But yeah, it's overall pretty easy, and it makes such a big difference. I just find it makes our house look updated where we don't really need new windows. This just gives it a little refresh. But yeah, let me know if you guys try this. I want to see the before and after photos, so tag me, and I hope this was helpful. I get a lot of questions about this on the daily. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. I don't have a lot of subscribers.